Maylin pulling your hair. Graham, you have a puff stuck in your hair. And on your foot. It's on the side of your head. On the right side of your head. Where's the right side of your head?
Right here. Where is this? Where is it?
It's on the right side of your head by your ear.
It's right here. Other side.
A little higher.
A little higher.
Where?
Did you find it? There it is.
Yeah.
Maylin is your brother, honey.
One.
She thinks you're funny.
Two. One. Oh. I can't see. I can't